Good morning, welcome to another episode from Noojee Bush Goods. I'm Hanno and I have with me Ed.
Hello.
There we go, and we're gonna have a little crack. Ed's been here before, I haven't, but yeah, we'll have a bit of a go and see if we can get amongst the fish. If you like the video, give it a fat thumbs up, please. Sub if you're not subbed already. That's really important. Just hit the sub button, it's free, please. Drop a comment down below, that helps my channel grow. So this didn't do too good for me last night, but sticking with the LeBrons. Nice little run here. Oh, they're both pretty shit casts. One up the guts. One more. That's a better cast. Nothing. I've missed Eddie's hook up. But yeah, first cast on his silver and red Mapso.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well done, mate. I'm a bit tired. I've recorded a rainbow and it's clearly a brown. Awesome. Hey, mate. Oh, well done, man. Ha ha. Yep.
Yep, there we go.
It's another good one. It's another good one, mate.
Yep. And that line, the structure, the bubble trail.
Oh, fucking hell. Fuck, they do fight hard, man.
It's a nice brown too.
Fuck, they fight hard. Sorry, mate, I was trying. He was just thrashing around a bit for me. I'll have to get a photo of that, I reckon, too, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I
didn't get a photo of the first one. I was going to say something, just about to put it back, and I thought, oh, I won't say nothing. I reckon.
Yeah, 32.
Yeah. Not bad. There he goes. Well done, man. Cheers. Good work. Yep. Oh, he's all right too. Oh, he's off. He's off. Oh, they do fight really good.
Yeah.
They fight really good. Oh, that's good. Oh, he's all right too. Oh, he's off. Oh, yeah. My first follow. Two followed down. Quite small fish. Right in front of me now. The only thing with this clear water, it was a side cast, so it wasn't natural, but they're right in front of me now. They probably won't go for it. I'm not being pessimistic, I'm just being real. It's good signs though. Ed's got it, I've got it on camera, mate. Oh, Jesus Christ.
The battery's just died. I've just gone and changed battery on the go. Get up here. I've seen this thing swim through water.
Alright. Maybe that's what's in the slow holes, Ed.
Monster.
No, yeah, it's probably like a kilo and a half.
What a monster. He's not dinner today.
Oh, yep. Good fish too. Oh, he grabbed it, did he? Fuck. Good fish, Ed. In the slow water. Like a 30. Yeah, it's hard to keep it out of that fucking shit, that. I think he might even hit it. The glare, Fuck. Oh, yeah. Good fish too. Oh, he grabbed it, did he? And look who's come to join us. It's the silver fox. It's Clive, aka the silver fox. Salad good?
And getting fed well.
All right. Yeah. Look at this shit, guys. So we're doing the old, haven't done it for many years. Ed's done it more recently than me. We're doing the old walk downstream, then walk back upstream. We've got the, Eddie's got like a map thing that's tracking us, and I've got my smartwatch. So what I'm trying to say is, yeah, we're tracking the Ks that we're doing, and then we're going to get to about 1.4 Ks on the river, and we're going to walk back to camp. Wish us luck. All right, so we've done a 45-minute walk downstream, and then we're going to head back upstream. It was roughly so many kilometres, 1.2 or 1.4, whatever it was. I'm going to walk back to camp. Bala Eddies has just spotted a nice cray, probably a bit under a kilo. Got him. Pretty much got him. Oh, he might be a bit over a kilo. Good shit. Oh yeah, got one. Fuck, did they fight good. Fucking Jesus. Fuck, it might just beat him. He's good. Oh, where's my net? Oh, he's huge. Go for it if you want, mate.
Got him.
Oh, I don't know. If he goes again, just need to stay still. Yeah, baby!
In the net, boy.
Fuck me. Sick.
Yeah.
Fucking shit up, brother. Fucking awesome. Fuck, did they fight good. Fucking Jesus. Good on you, mate. He's all good. Fuck, I've got to get a photo of that. That is fucking absolutely spectacular. Old as fuck Myrtle Beach with heaps of ferns growing off it, mate. It's fucking amazing. Oh yeah, got one.
Yeah.
Rainbow, I think. It's definitely fighting like a rainbow. Probably not. Oh, it's a brown. Just in it. Oh wow. The little bronze, finally. Oh, I hope it's fucking recording. Pardon my French, people. Oh, they're in pearly condition, all of the fish that we've caught. We've caught very little. 4th fish of the day. 4th trout of the day. All right, mate. See you, bud. I don't know if it was my turn or not, but I jumped in. Put the camera on record, and we got another one. How's it going, guys? Thanks for watching the video. Morning session and an afternoon session, new stream. Had Bala Eddies with me. Had a ball. The fishing was really tough, but hey, couldn't do it with better company. If you liked the video, give it a fat thumbs up. Sub if you're not subbed already, please. It's as easy as pushing a button. It's free. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.